Hi friends, today we're in my kitchen. In this video, we're going to see about microwave oven, how microwave oven works, the history and invention of microwave oven, technical design, components of microwave oven, advantage and disadvantages. The history of microwave oven. A microwave oven was invented in 1945 by Dr. Percy LeBron Spencer. During World War II, two scientists made the magnetron, a tube that produces microwaves. In 1967, the first countertops domestic oven was introduced. In 1976, the microwave oven became more commonly owned kitchen appliance. The first microwave was priced at $2,000 to $3,000. After 2 years, they made a smaller version of microwave oven and it was priced at $500. In 1980, it became a necessity for every homemaker. Now, we're going to see the technical design of microwave oven. The basic design of microwave oven is simple. Magnetron, a transformer, a stirrer, a waveguide, and a control panel. Now we will see all these components in details. A magnetron is a high-power vacuum tube which generates microwave. These microwaves are radio wave with frequency of 2500 MHz. There is a cathode at the center of magnetron. A wavelength is a structure that guides microwave. Microwave oven converts electric energy into a form of electromagnetic waves. A stirrer. This looks like a fan, usually situated at the top of the cavity. This moves around microwave around the cavity. Main chassis. This is a place where every part of the microwave is organized. It has a front panel that allows the operator to select the various setting and cooking features. Control panel. This is used to set timer and preset for cooking. Now let's see how microwave oven works. Microwave oven heat food without getting hot themselves. All microwave uses a timer for cooking time. At the end of the cooking time, the oven switches itself off. Generating microwave magnetron tube has tank circuits in it. Streams of electron amplify oscillations. Microwaves are radio waves with frequency of 2500 MHz. Microwave oven converts electrical energy into a form of electromagnetic microwaves, which makes water move. Microwave causes molecules to vibrate. Vibration creates friction. Friction produces the heat that cooks food. Next, let's see the advantages of microwave oven. First, it saves time and energy. Second, it's safer than general fuel stoves. Third, the taste of the food remains same. Fourth, if properly used, microwave cooking does not affect the nutrition content of the food. 5. Reduces the consumption of oil. Health hazards. Microwave radiation can head body types the same way it heats the food. Exposure to high level of microwave can cause a painful burn. Microwaving converts vitamin B12 from an active to inactive. Microwave oven has become an essential appliance of a part of your daily life. In this video, we have seen how microwave works, the history of microwave oven, the technical design of components of microwave oven, the advantages of microwave oven. Hope you like this video. See you on next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.